I ordered from Temu versus what I got. First item is 10 pieces twin tip colored permanent art markers pens. Oh no, blue pen is dried. Let's try another one. Okay, it's fine. Another item is 500 grams full refined paraffin wax beads. Next item in my list is 1-piece large cute peony flower candle making silicone mold. Now check this item. It's 12-pack acrylic paint markers, waterproof, medium tip for dye art and graffiti. Smooth in writing, okay? I like it.
Wow.
Next is 1-piece vintage craft paper spiral scroll drawing book. I ordered another pine cone soap and candle mold. Okay, these are 2-pack candle dye colors. Next, order 500-piece roll vintage craft paper stickers or scrapbook gift stationery label stickers, handmade with love gift box decoration. Woo! It's cute. Next item is DIY candle making kit, in which 900 grams soft transparent jelly wax in 7 colors, includes 50 wicks, 50 stickers, 10 wooden wick holders, 5 bottles of colored sand, 100 grams natural crystal ore, 50 dried flour, 300 for stainless steel melting pot and stirring spoon. All items in this box are good. Next item is 3 pieces white marker pen or waterproof art painting graffiti pen. Next item is 1 set of 24 pieces marking pen, double head watercolor pen, painting marker pen, drawing marker pen. Let's check more colors pen. Oh, it's damaged. It's dried. Quality is so bad. A big no to this item. Now check the last item. This is 12 pieces of black candle tins or candle jars, candle containers with lids, or candle tin for candles making, arts and crafts. It's cute little tin jar. I like it. Thanks for watching.